Can wearing Crocs cause foot problems or injuries?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that's been on the minds of many. Can wearing Crocs cause foot problems or injuries? Crocs, those quirky, comfortable, and colorful shoes, are loved by many for their convenience and relaxed fit. But is there a downside to them? Let's find out.
What makes Crocs unique?
Crocs, made from a material called Crosslite, are lightweight, waterproof, and come with an adjustable heel strap for a more secure fit. They're popular for their convenience and comfort, especially for short-term wear. However, Crocs offer limited arch and heel support, as they are designed to be spacious and loose-fitting. This can potentially lead to problems when worn for prolonged periods.
Can Crocs cause foot problems?
While Crocs are comfortable and convenient, they are not designed for long-term or regular usage, such as for running, hiking, or other activities that require solid foot support. The lack of adequate arch and heel support in Crocs can potentially lead to issues like tendinitis, arch pain, and heel pain, or plantar fasciitis. People with existing foot conditions, such as flat feet or high arches, might experience worsening of symptoms if they wear Crocs regularly.
Can Crocs cause injuries?
Crocs' loose-fitting design makes them easy to slip on and off. However, this same feature may increase the risk of tripping or stumbling, potentially leading to injuries. Without a secure fit, your foot may slide around inside the shoe, which can lead to ankle sprains or even fractures. Furthermore, the open design of Crocs can leave your feet exposed to environmental risks, such as sharp objects or heavy items that could fall on your feet.
What do experts recommend?
Experts recommend using Crocs sparingly and for short durations. They are perfect for situations like a quick errand, going to the beach, or taking a shower at the gym. For regular use, it's advised to wear shoes that provide good arch and heel support, have a secure fit, and protect the feet. If you have specific foot conditions, it's always best to consult with a podiatrist or a foot care professional who can guide you to the right type of footwear. In conclusion, while Crocs can indeed be comfortable and convenient, they should not replace well-fitted, supportive shoes for regular or long-term usage. Remember, the key to maintaining foot health is a balance between comfort and support. We hope this video has been informative and has helped answer your questions about Crocs and foot health. Stay safe, comfortable, and stylish.